Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Genie Paul. Hope you will find this time to talk about what is Paresh Marshall up to after his marriage cancellation with Simriti Mandhana. Here's what we know. Music and Paresh Marshall is set to join a new project with Shreyas Talpare after cancelling marriage to Simriti Mandhana. Now details below. Written by Ayushi Agarwal, journalist, updated on 20 January 2026. Paresh Marshall is coming back to his work after a tough few weeks. On 20 January, it was revealed that the musician is turning to his career following his cancelled marriage to Indian cricketer Simriti Mandhana. As per trade analyst Taran Adresh, he is taking part in a new film alongside Shreyas Talware. The unnamed project will go on floor soon and is said to have been set with a backdrop of Mumbai. Shreyas Talware and Kailash Marshall join hands for a new film. Kailash Marshall is slowly gaining control of his career again and he is doing so with Shanti Omstar Shah Salpare. On 20 January, it was revealed that the musician will be helming a new film, sharing the actor in the lead role. Not much have been revealed about the project so far, with reports claiming that the movie set in the background of Mumbai will observe the 49-year-old actor in its lead role of a common man. So far, the film remains untitled, with more updates awaited in the coming months as the shoot begins soon. The 30-year-old music composer has previously been known for his work in films like Dishi, Dishkyon, Miss Tanakapur, Hazir Ho, Sweetie with NRI, in which he also participated as a singer and other projects including Punk Beat, brother to popular playback singer Palak Mochal. He is also the brother-in-law of singer and composer Mithon. About Paresh Marshall and Smriti Mandhana. After being in a relationship with the Indian batswoman for about 5 years, the couple was all set to tie the keynote in an intimate ceremony back in November 2025. Rumors married the days leading up to the big day with Smriti Mandhana's father's help and the groom's on has been under observation for a while, dampening the plans with allegations of cheating flirting on the internet. The marriage was put on hold at first with both sides calling it off via separate confirmations in December 2025. Since then, the sportswoman has returned to the field and began practicing with her teammates. After it, Kailash Muchal spotted at airport with family aimed reports of wedding with Samriti Mandana being cancelled. Credits Taran Atresh. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.